Vision Miner presents the most affordable, high-temperature, performance 3D printer. If you are a manufacturing veteran or just starting in functional 3D printing, we will back you up. You'll save money and time 3D printing high-performance parts. Empowering you to print with functional materials. Engineering materials like PEEK and ULTEM, all in a desktop 3D printer. Prototyping to mass production, backed by American quality customer service. Built to run 24/7. Protected with power recovery features. Materials strong as steel like PEEK, resistant to acids, chemicals, electrical discharge, and high operating temperatures. 450 Celsius nozzle, 160 Celsius bed, 90 Celsius chamber. Full metal body, insulated heating chamber. Accurate to 12.5 microns. Dependable features to protect your prints and save you money. Premium machines call for premium support, only included from visionminer.com. Whether you are prototyping or farming small batch custom parts, your parts on demand, as strong as you need them, and right when you need them. Industrial quality machines, engineering quality parts, functional materials, prototyping to manufacturing. Backed by Vision Miner. For all your high-performance 3D printing solutions, Vision Miner.